guys. And I mean, I'm telling you that this is like twice what I could see before. That's my high beam. This is low beam with auxiliaries. I can probably move those auxiliaries up a little bit. But I mean, we're talking frickin' daylight, man. Is that awesome or what? And then low beam with high beam. Pretty amazing. So that is Cyclops, and that's what the big deal is all about, right? Yeah, so with the high beam adds a little bit, but just yeah, this. So you know, if you don't make it as far as you think you're gonna make it, at least, you know, I know right now I'm doing like 20 miles an hour, and I know that I could ride 20 miles an hour for a long distance in the dark with these lights, because I can really see.